Welcome to Frank and Frank Auto Repair. This is Dylan here. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the low beam headlight from a Nissan Titan. This is a 2006, but it works from 2004 to 2015. My driver's side light bulb is out. First thing you need to do is go to the driver's side wheel well. There are some trim clips on the upper side of the wheel well trim. You pull them downwards and slide them out. There's also one near the front that is held in by a screw, and the trim itself has a groove that slides on, so you just slide that downwards and it should slide right off. Next, you'll turn the light bulb 45 degrees or so, maybe up to 90 counterclockwise, and then unclip the light bulb. It's quite easy, just pinch and unclip. You can see the bulb here. What you need is one that has on the plug side a single plastic piece that comes down. There are some that are made with two, so just confirm that you have the correct type of bulb. You put it in exactly how you took it out, except in reverse, and then you are done. You should have a working bulb just like me. Thank you so much for watching.